Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and we got one more watch face for you all to check out. Again, we're just simply trying to get you ready for the weekend. Now, if you know anybody that needs or looking for awesome watch faces, make sure you direct them to Huck's World. All right, with that being said, let's kick off this review. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video. Listen, we got a nice one for you all. This one, yeah, it's going to be free for the taking in the Gear Manager store, and it is definitely worth the download, especially for a work week. Now, it's free, people. I do not know how long this one is going to be free, so if you're watching this on a Sunday, download now. If you're watching this on a Monday, hopefully it's still free, and download ASAP. So let's go ahead. Let's check out this awesome watch face, right? It's a hybrid watch face. It's an analog/digital, which means you get the best of both worlds. The name of the watch face is called Mechanic Sport. I like the look. Now, the look that you're getting so far, the color is concerned with the index and the numbers, is going to be a bluish color. Right now through the video is showing more so of a purple color mixed with green so far as the hands are concerned, but it's nice. Got digital time at the top. You do get your date, and you also get a nice second hand that's cruising around the bezel of the watch, and if you look all the way down, you will get your battery info as well. Now, for most people, you're looking for your step status info. This is a hybrid watch face, and I'm loving it. So if I tap right here, I'm gonna get, of course, floors climbed, my step information, miles walked or ran, calories burned, heart rate, everything I need so far as my step info is concerned is right up front. And if you want to get rid of it, just single tap again and you back to normal. All right, you all, hit me in the comment section down below. Jackie, let me know if this one is a downloadable watch face for you. Adrian, of course, Jonathan, I want to hear from you guys. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.